Flat top grills are everywhere right now, and for good reason. Eggs, smash burgers, stir fry, bacon, pancakes, all on the same surface at the same time. It's wild how versatile these things are. But here's the issue. So many options on Amazon, and not all of them are worth your money. So today I'm going through the top 5 best flat top grills on Amazon right now, Blackstone style, and breaking down which one fits your situation. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Alright, starting with the obvious one, and yes, it deserves number 1. This is the Blackstone 36-inch Omnivore Griddle, model 2212. You've probably seen this everywhere. But here's why the 2212 specifically earns the top spot over older Blackstone 36-inch models. The big deal is the Omnivore griddle plate technology. Sounds like marketing. I rolled my eyes too, but it's legit. This surface heats faster, distributes heat more evenly, and handles thermal shock better when cold food hits a hot surface. That matters more than people realize. You're getting 768 square inches of cooking space and 4 independently controlled burners at 38,000 BTU total. One side ripping hot for searing, other side low for keeping food warm. Restaurant level heat control in your backyard. Patented rear grease management system handles cleanup. Push to the back, drains into a cup. Hard cover is included, which a lot of competitors charge extra for. Built-in wind guards on all 4 sides keep heat locked in on breezy days. Plus folding side shelves, tool hooks, a magnetic toolbar, paper towel holder, and 4 locking caster wheels. It's a complete setup. Only real downside, carbon steel needs seasoning and maintenance. Neglect it in a humid climate and rust shows up. But that's true of every flat top steel surface. Pros: Omnivore tech heats faster, more even. 768 square inches feeds a big crowd. 4 independent heat zones. Hard cover and wind guards included. Cons: carbon steel needs regular seasoning. Large footprint needs real patio space. Now let's move on to the one that surprises people, because when most folks hear Traeger, they think pellet smokers. But Traeger makes a flat top, and it's really good. This is the Traeger Flatrock 33-inch with 3-zone True Zone cooking. This thing feels premium from the moment you assemble it. The cooking surface is 594 square inches, slightly smaller than the Blackstone 36-inch, worth knowing up front. But heat distribution here is genuinely impressive. Triple U-shaped burners deliver edge-to-edge heat with no cold corners, no chasing hot spots. Everything cooks evenly all the way to the edges. The recessed cooktop design, flame lock, is a real differentiator. The surface sits lower inside a frame cavity, which creates a more efficient cooking environment and naturally blocks wind. On a breezy day, you're holding heat way better than most griddles out there. Built-in LED propane fuel sensor shows your gas level at a glance, which sounds minor until you've run out of propane halfway through cooking smash burgers. You know exactly how that goes. Flame sensors also confirm each burner is actually lit. Easy clean front grease management, premium hinged lid, folding side shelves. Solid across the board. Honest downside? Price. Significantly more expensive than the Blackstone. If budget is a real factor, it's probably not your pick. But if you want it to perform at a high level for years, it's worth every dollar. Pros: edge-to-edge even heat, no hot spots. Built-in fuel sensor, never run out mid-cook. Flame lock design cuts wind heat loss. Premium build quality throughout. Cons: significantly more expensive than competitors. Slightly smaller cooking area than Blackstone 36. Let's see how this compares, because this one is for a specific kind of cook. If you hear side burner and immediately think, yes, I need that, the Camp Chef Gridiron Pro might be your griddle. Camp Chef has been making outdoor cooking gear since 1990. Solid reputation for durable, well thought out products. The Gridiron Pro is their top flat top. You've got 634 square inches of pre-seasoned cooking surface, ready to go right out of the box. 4 stainless steel burners delivering 448,000 BTU across the surface. The real differentiator is the included Sidekick side burner, a separate 30,000 BTU open flame burner compatible with Camp Chef's 14-inch accessory lineup. Pizza ovens, BBQ boxes, woks. While you're griddle cooking, you can have a pot going on the side or swap in a pizza oven attachment. It turns this into a full outdoor kitchen in one unit. Flamethrower ignition is another win. Not a click spark igniter, it's a torch-style built-in lighter that fires up every single time, even in wind or cold weather. Hinged lid included. Oversized grease trough and hidden bucket. Leveling screws for uneven surfaces. Solid details all around. Honest take: if you don't actually need the side burner, you're paying for something you won't use. Know your cooking habits before buying. But if you want one station that does everything, this is it. Pros: Sidekick burner is a total game changer. Modular accessories, pizza oven. Wok, more. Flamethrower ignition works every single time. Pre-season, cook ready from day one. Cons: Higher cost if you skip the side burner. Biggest footprint of all 5. Now let's talk about the surprise of this list. Royal Gourmet doesn't get the same hype as Blackstone or Traeger, but on raw specs, this is seriously competitive. This is the Royal Gourmet GB4001CN 4-burner 35-inch flat top. The numbers are hard to argue with. 52,000 BTU across 4 stainless steel tube burners and 766 square inches of cooking area. That is more space and more BTU than the Blackstone 36-inch at a lower price. On specs alone, this wins. Cover included in the box. That's not standard at this price. A decent griddle cover usually runs an extra $30 to $50 elsewhere. Foldable side tables that collapse inward over the top of the griddle to protect the surface during storage. 4 independently controlled burners, electronic ignition, rear grease cup, raised edges to keep food on the surface, and locking caster wheels. It's a well-rounded package. On its downside, it's not Blackstone. Smaller accessories ecosystem, thinner online community, no special cooking surface technology. Solid carbon steel, functional, but nothing fancy. If community and third-party support matter to you, Royal Gourmet doesn't have that depth. But if you want maximum surface area and BTU for your dollar without paying for brand prestige, this is one of the best value plays on Amazon right now. Pros: 52,000 BTU, highest in this lineup. 766 square inches, bigger than Blackstone 36. Cover included right in the box. Strong price to performance ratio. Cons: smaller brand ecosystem, thinner community, no premium tech like Omnivore or Flamelock. Back to Blackstone for the last spot, because this one makes total sense for who it's built for. This is the Blackstone 28-inch Model 1517. The perfect entry point into flat top cooking. Never owned one, cooking for 2 to 4 people. Smaller patio. This is where I'd tell you to start. 448 square inches of cooking surface. 2 independently controlled burners at 34,000 BTU total. Plenty for a family breakfast or weekend cookout with room to run different heat levels at the same time. Blackstone's rear grease management system is here. Push to the back, collect in the cup, done. Cutting board and garbage holder included. 2 side shelves and a bottom shelf for storage. What separates the 28-inch from other options its size. The ecosystem. Thousands of accessories, massive online community, dedicated YouTube channels, recipe books, Facebook groups, Reddit threads. If you're new to flat top cooking, that community support shortens the learning curve dramatically. And it holds a 4.7 star average on Amazon from thousands of real reviews. The downside, it's smaller. Cooking for 6 or more regularly and you'll hit the limit fast. No lid or cover in the box, so budget around 20 to 30 extra for that. But as a starting point or for a compact setup, this is hard to beat. Pros: right size for couples and small families. Massive Blackstone community and accessories. 4.7 star Amazon average, thousands of reviews. Best budget entry into flat top cooking. Cons: no lid or cover in the box. Too small for regular large groups. Alright, let's wrap it up. Best overall for most people. Blackstone 36-inch Omnivore, Model 2212. Best mix of size, performance, and price on this whole list. Ecosystem is massive, lasts for years. Best premium option. Traeger Flatrock 33-inch. Want consistent, high-level cooking performance and willing to pay for it? This is the one. The built-in fuel sensor alone is worth the upgrade. Best all-in-one outdoor kitchen. Camp Chef Gridiron Pro. Side burner, modular accessories, most versatile setup in this list. Best value on a big cooking surface. Royal Gourmet GB4001CN. More BTU, more square inches, cover included, lower price than Blackstone. Genuinely underrated. Best entry-level pick, Blackstone 28-inch Model 1517. Perfect starting point. Great community, great price. Upgrade when you're ready. 5 grills, 5 situations. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one fits how you cook and the space you've got. If this was useful, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Leave a comment if you have questions. I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Now go cook something great.